TV turns on, but the screen stays black. No picture, maybe no sound, and you're not sure what's wrong. Whether it's a Samsung, LG, Sony, or any other brand, this step-by-step guide will walk you through every possible fix, from simple resets to hardware checks. The first thing you should try is a power cycle. Start by turning off your TV and unplugging it from the wall completely. Then, find the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote, and press and hold it down for about 30 to 60 seconds. This helps drain any leftover power inside the TV. After that, leave the TV unplugged for a few more minutes. If you have the time, you can even wait up to 30 minutes to make sure all the power has cleared out. Once that's done, plug the TV back in and try turning it on again to see if the black screen issue is fixed. Make sure the power cable is properly connected to both the back of the TV and the wall outlet. Check that it's not loose or halfway plugged in. If it looks fine, try plugging the TV into a different wall socket, just to be sure the outlet isn't the problem. Also, if you're using a surge protector or a smart plug, remove it for now and plug the TV directly into the wall. Sometimes those devices can cause issues with power delivery, and it's better to keep things simple while you're troubleshooting. Turn the TV on like you normally would, even if the screen stays black. Now take a flashlight or use the flashlight on your phone and shine it very close to the screen at an angle. Look carefully to see if there are any faint images or shapes moving on the screen. If you can see something, even just a little, that means the screen is working but the backlight isn't, which points to a backlight issue. But if you don't see any image at all and the screen doesn't have any glow, then the problem could be with the power board, the main board, or the T-con board inside the TV. Check the batteries in your remote to make sure they're not dead. If the remote isn't working, replace the batteries and try again. Also, don't rely only on the remote. Go to your TV and press the physical power button on it. The location of the button can be different depending on the brand, but press it directly to see if the TV turns on that way. That's it for this video on how to fix a TV with a black screen. I hope these steps helped you figure out what's going on with your TV, and maybe even got it working again. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. If you have any questions, or if one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments below. I'd really like to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.